Chandler, our representative here, he has been just phenomenal working with us and just diagnosing some smaller issues that we couldn't figure out ourselves. And just the response time is just almost unheard of, really.
We try to come out once a year to most of the facilities and go over all the equipment and see what's needing maintenance and try to get all that taken care of as best as possible for all the customers. We are currently at the Dickinson water treatment plant in North Dakota. We've taken care of the ozone chillers, the ozone units, the oxygen systems, the hazardous gas monitoring systems, the ozone destruct systems, and also looking at the water ejection stuff as well.
The customer support's been phenomenal, completely. Anytime we ever have an issue, we just give them a call and they either show up on site or we can remote log in, and they are here just for any of our needs. Overall, my experience has been awesome. Ozone is definitely a new technology that many, especially in North Dakota, have not witnessed so far. And Pinnacle is one of the better ones that we've investigated and come up with. They have created a lot of cost savings for us. And not only that, but we've reduced our taste and odor issues by far. We have very few complaints, if any.
So on our regular service trips, we meet with the operators and make sure that they understand what's going on with the systems. If they have any questions, we try to answer them, and then make sure that they understand what they're doing with the systems every day and make sure they feel comfortable.